go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to do a review on this hair that I received from Forever Flawless Hair. And you guys, this hair is a 13 by 6 curly HD wig. And again, it's a 13 by 6 18-inch HD wig. So far, you guys, I am loving this hair. I am loving the HD wig. This is my first time ever wearing an HD wig, and I am loving it because the meltdown is amazing. Like, you don't even see the lace when you melt it down. Look at that. You don't even see the lace. So yeah, I'm definitely loving this wig right now. So you guys, so for this hair, I may have a little shading, and when I mean little shading. Mind you guys, it is curly hair, so curly hair will shade anyway, but it shouldn't be like, a bunch of hair shading. It's just a tad little bit of hair that's shading. And every now and then it does get a little tangled, especially when I don't comb it for a few days. So yeah, you guys, I've been having this wig on for a week now, and so far it has been going good. Now, all I had to do when I received this wig was I had to bleach it, and I was a little upset about that because I over bleached it, because I was not prepared for how quick the knots was going to bleach on the wig. I had to bleach on the wig for maybe 10 minutes and it over bleached. It's crazy. So that is a plus about this wig. The knots bleach quick, and I mean quick. So you have to be careful with that. I didn't have to pluck it. It came pre-plucked already. Plus, love that it came pre-plucked, because you don't want to be sitting there all that time trying to pluck your wig. Too much work. So it did come pre-plucked already. And yeah, like I said, all I really had to do was, when I got it, I washed it, I bleached it, and that was pretty much all I did, and I put it on my head. Now you guys, in the beginning clip, I showed you guys me gluing my wig down. Now you guys noticed that the glue I was using had no label on it. That's because I am testing out my own glue. Yes, you guys, in the near future or in a month or two, I will be coming out with my own wig glue, because I feel and believe I have tested so many different wig glues. I should definitely be able to come and bring you quality wig glue for you guys to glue your wigs down. So definitely be checking out for my wig glue in the near future. I will definitely announce when my wig glue is coming out, so definitely stay tuned to that. But anyway, you guys, let's get back to this wig. But overall, you guys, if I had to rate this wig 1 from 10, I would give this wig a 8. I'm giving it an 8 because the wig size for the wig was kind of too big. Then on the other side, they don't have like the well, they have the adjustable straps in the wig, but now they come with that extra elastic band on the wig, already on the wig. They didn't have that on there, so they probably should suggest getting like those elastic bands on the wig. And yeah, and for the little shading that it's doing, and of course a little tangling. But overall, you guys, this hair was really nice. It didn't come with a smell. The hair was super duper soft when I got it. And yeah, so far I'm loving it. I'm enjoying wearing this wig. I don't really have any bad thing to say about the hair, but the hair is really nice. I really like the hair. You guys, I do have a coupon code. I am going to put it up on the screen here, and I'm also going to put it down in the description bar. So definitely go over to Forever Flawless Hair. Go follow them on their Instagram. And yeah, you guys, you use the coupon code, you get 10% off your order. So definitely go check them out. I believe they have reasonable prices. So go check them out. get you a wig, get your HD wig, and get 10% off using my code. So again, I'll put it up here on the screen and I'll put it down in the description bar. Before it's that, you guys, I really have nothing else to say about this wig. I give it an 8. I mean, the wig is nice. I so far I have had no real bad issues with it. Of course, I'll come later on and do an update on it. But overall, I am loving the pattern. Look at the pattern. This is so cute. Yeah, the pattern of the wig is super duper cute. But overall, I don't have any issues with the wig. Yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Definitely leave me down a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on my wig. And yes, you guys, I will start trying to bring more wig reviews. I don't know why. I think I kind of shied away from wig reviews. But yes, I am going to start bringing more wig reviews because that's what I originally started doing. So I definitely will be bringing more wig reviews. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Again, leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. And make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. By now, you should have hit that subscribe button and at the same time hit that notification bell. So every time I come with a new video on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturday, you guys will definitely be notified. If you're already subscribed to me, I thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. And please stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.